Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walmart and we are going to go in and we are going to do some Ibotta rebates. We did get a weekend warrior bonus. My rebate is for $1 for 8 rebates. I'm also close, I think, to getting a January level bonus as well. That's also going to stack with a cold hard cash bonus that we got yesterday as well. We got like a heads up and a text message that we would be getting a bonus like that. So if you are not aware, you can sign up for text alerts through Ibotta. I will put the link down in the description box below for you. So we're not going to do all 36 offers tonight because you do get a little bit of time with that. So I'm going to spread it out over probably 2 hauls and then a little bit at CVS, maybe a little bit at Target. Just, you never know. So anyways, also I put up on Friday night, this is technically Friday night, you will see this Saturday, but I go Friday night now because Friday night is dead at my Walmart. Super dead, and it's normally a madhouse. So it's not that easy to coupon at my Walmart. So anyways, on Friday night I posted a February Procter & Gamble P&G insert preview plus a giveaway for 5 of those P&G inserts. So go and take a look at the preview and enter in the giveaway, and then of course watch this video as well. So anyways guys, let's go inside and see what we can do.
So the first thing we're going to grab is some Rolaids. Now last week I got these ones here because my store was out of stock, but my store is in stock with these now. They're $3.84. And we got a nice $2.50 off printable coupon from coupons.com. And then there is also a $1 rebate that reset for me on Ibotta that I did last week. And that will bring these down to just 34 cents. And these are something that are essential in my house. So then, so there was a lot of stuff that was out at my store. So I went and grabbed some Listerine. I knew this would be an easy rebate. These are $1.97. We have a $1 rebate back on Ibotta. No coupons needed for this guy here, so it's just 97 cents. Then we're going to go over and grab some Dramamine. And we're going to grab an 8 count of Dramamine, if I can grab it out of here while holding everything. And it's for $3.97. It's for an 8 count little bottle here. But Dramamine is really nice to have on hand. But anyways, it's $3.97, and we are going to use a $1 printable coupon from the Dramamine website. You can print 2 of these off here, and then we're going to use a $1.50 rebate back on Ibotta, making this guy just $1.47. Now here is a rebate that I'm going to do that I definitely don't think you should do unless this is something you really want to try, because it does end up being quite expensive still. But it's the Garnier Green Labs Serum Cream. It is $16.94. We have a $4 rebate on Ibotta. And then we also have an insert coupon from the 1-3 Retail Me Not. If that's not correct, I'll put the right one up here. And it is for $4 off as well, making this, it's still expensive, but I love this stuff for $8.94. So yeah. Next, we're going to get some Rimmel, and we're going to grab a face product down there that is $1.85. It's the only one left, and it is broken. But I don't mind picking up broken makeup if it's going to make me money. You know what I mean? Because I don't necessarily have to keep it. But anyways, it's $1.85. I can actually fix this. I don't have a problem doing that. And you're going to use a $2 off Rimmel face product coupon from coupons.com. They are no longer available. But then we also have a $2.50 rebate on Ibotta for Rimmel facial face makeup products, making this a $2.65 moneymaker. Next, I'm going over to the clearance makeup, and I've never seen it like this before. This is crazy that it's all dumped out like this, but I'm looking for a Maybelline lip product that is fairly cheap, because I do have a $2.50 off rebate on a Maybelline lipstick product on Ibotta. So I'm going to grab this one here for $3, making it just 50 cents, and there's no coupons for that. Next, we're going to go over and we're going to grab some hauls. I've been doing this for the past few weeks. Love this rebate because it's for these massive bags. and they are 80 count bags, so that's something to think about. So you're going to have to grab 2 of these if you want to use the coupon, and I have a $1.50 off of 2 coupon from the 1213 Smart Source. And then we're going to submit these to Ibotta. We'll get $1.50 back for each one of these, which is great. And then my rebate reset on checkout 51 for $1 off. It's just for one, but it's going to bring our total down to just 73 cents per bag of these massive bags of cough drops. Next, we're going to do the Mucinex. The Mucinex reset for me, and it is for $6.97 for the 7 count box. And we are going to grab one of those, of course, and then we are going to use this $5 off coupon. This $5 off coupon is, I think, still available to print as well, but I'm going to use the insert coupon instead. And then we have $1 rebate back on Ibotta, making this little box here just 97 cents. Next, we're going to do a repeat deal for the Vapor Duo, and it is for $4.98. And there are dollar peelies on each one of these here. So then we are going to submit our receipt to Ibotta. There is a $7 off of 2 back on Ibotta for these 2 guys right here. So then that will bring our total down to just 96 cents for the both of them. And I think that is an amazing deal. And it's a huge rebate back for our bonuses. Next, we're going to grab some Propel drink powder mix. These are $1.97. There's no coupons for these, but I'm just going to grab one of these here, and we have $1 rebate back on Ibotta, making this just 97 cents. And this is another good one to add to your bonuses. Next, I finally found the Pringles Scorchin' chips at my store because this has a high value rebate, I think, for chips, and these are $1.48 at my store. I have a 75-cent off rebate back on Ibotta for these, making these just 73 cents a can. Next, I'm going to do an any rebate on Ibotta for 10 cents off of any toilet paper. So my store has these little 60-cent 4 packs of toilet paper. So I thought I would give it a shot, making it just 50 cents. So that's really not bad at all. Next, we're going to grab some Wheat Thins, and I'm going to grab a family size box of Wheat Thins, and I am going to get the, well, I grabbed this one, but I want to grab the reduced fat ones for $3.18. We have a rebate for 75 cents on Ibotta, as well as $1 on Ibotta as well. And then we're going to go over and we're going to grab some Oreo Thins. These are for $2.96. We have $1 rebate back on Ibotta for this as well. So the total of these are going to equal $6.14. We also have $1 off to rebate back on checkout 51 for Nabisco items. So that's going to bring our total down to just $2.39 for both of those items, or just $1.19 a piece. And I think that's such a good deal. And you can see the Good Thins in my cart. I finally caved to that deal. They are $2.08 at my store for a box. So we're going to grab 2 of these at $4.16. We have a BOGO rebate on Ibotta for 2 boxes of these for $2.56 back. But then there's also a 75-cent rebate attaching to them as well. So then that's going to bring our total down to just 85 cents for the both of them. But then I have $1 rebate back on checkout 51 for one of them, making both of these boxes free and a 15-cent moneymaker. Not bad. Next, I decided to do this deal because it's an easy rebate. You're going to grab 2 of these Ritz toasted chips. These are so good. But anyways, these are $2.82 at my store. We have a $2.90 rebate back on both of them, making them just $2.66 for both bags. And then we're going to grab some Baby Aquaphor for $4.52. And there is a $2 rebate back on Ibotta for me for this guy here. And then we have a $3 coupon from the 110 Smart Source. It does expire today, but it's still something you could run out and do today if you wanted to, making this guy free and a 48-cent moneymaker. So I'll definitely take that. And the last thing we're going to grab is some of these pretzels with the cheese inside. They're $2.64. We actually still have that 75-cent rebate back on these guys here, but we did get another coupon, which so happy about. It's a dollar coupon from the 117 Retail Me Not, and that will just make one box of these guys just 89 cents. And you can do the rebate several times. You can do, I think, up to 5 times if you want a couple boxes of these.
Okay guys, so we're back in from Walmart and it's really, really cold out. I mean, really cold out. It's like 4 degrees. So even sitting in my truck with the heat running, it was still pretty chilly. So we're inside and I really like setting my stuff up on the counter here because it's got the wall up against it. It makes it so much nicer. So you might see some knives, you might see some knick-knackery, but we all get the gist. So everything went great. There was no problems. None of my coupons beeped. No CSMs had to come over. Everything worked out great. So the only thing is that my total for everything would have been actually a pretty decent price considering that my rebate was only $1. And if you just take off one item here, which would be this guy right here, this would be under $10. And I think it's a really, really good haul for under $10, considering the medicine that we got. And yeah, so anyways, you want to add this on to your total, your order or whatever, then it's going to be a little bit more. But I really, really wanted that. I really, really wanted that. And I'll tell you why here shortly. So my total for everything was $61. I'm going to back up a little bit here. $61.74. I got $3 back from checkout 51. That's it. No other rebate apps. Let's see here. What else? I got back $39.14 from everything here. These were all on Ibotta. And then I got a $1 bonus. And that's it. So after the $61.74, I got $3 back. That brings me down to $58.74. I got back $40.14 originally, or altogether, not originally, on Ibotta, making my total for everything $18.60. But like I said, this guy right here was originally $17. There's a $4 rebate on Ibotta for this and a $4 coupon, making this guy $9. But this is very much something that I don't know, I can't talk. But this is something I really, really wanted. I use one right now and I definitely wanted to get another one to have on hand. So you can definitely do everything else in this and pay $9.60 for everything. If you have a $1 rebate bonus for the Weekend Warrior. Now, I was able to get, including this guy here, I had 24 rebates back. A lot of them double dipped. The water dipped twice. These dipped twice and these dipped twice. So a lot of items dipped twice into different rebates, as you could see earlier. So that is everything, guys. So you can get this guy here, right here, get that, and it can still be a really great haul. Now, the reason why I love this so much is it is a serum and a sunscreen and a moisturizer in one. It does have a scent to it, so if that bothers you, there is an unscented version of this. But I love it so, so much. So that is everything, guys. Thank you so, so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my P&G review and giveaway. It's not a review, it's an ad preview. So don't forget to check that out. I am giving away 5 P&G inserts that do include Tide. The P&G insert does not come out until the 31st of January, so you would be getting that right on time if you do enter in the giveaway. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, guys.